Hello. This is the Blue Bot project, a marine intelligence solution for nearshore reef fishers. Did you know that 90% of all fishers in the world are employed in small-scale fisheries and that these fishers are the greatest affected by coral reef collapse? That's where we come in. Using artificial intelligence and underwater drone technology, we enhance sustainable fishing on nearshore reefs. The Blue Bot project enables spearfishers and divers to go into the water only where it is profitable to do so. By searching faster, smarter and safer, fishers can reduce fuel consumption and reduce the risk to crew with the added benefit of being integrated into global marine data networks. To learn more about the Blue Bot project, visit https://www.bluebotproject.com.